If you're spending the night outdoors but still want to enjoy some of the comforts of home, the best camping cots offer a welcome alternative to sleeping on the ground. There are a lot of different factors that analyses go into making the perfect decision for choose best camping cot mattress. With so many different cot on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. If you're looking for the best camping cot, you've come to the right place. In this video, our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the top 5 camping cot on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. We will also provide some tips on how to use best camping cot. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. TETON Camping Cot. Since it's longer and wider than your average camping cot, this pick from TETON has plenty of space for you to lie comfortably in your ideal sleeping position at night. Featuring an aluminum frame with stable S-shaped steel legs, the cot is designed to hold up to 600 pounds. The Oxford canvas sleeping surface is durable but still comfortable. The cot is fairly easy to assemble, you'll just have to pop the legs out, then attach the two end bars to complete the frame. A special built-in lever makes the whole process even easier, though you can also buy this pick without the lever. The cot sits about 19 inches off the ground. However, when broken down, this pick is about 42 by 12 by 7 inches in size, length by width by height, so it's too large to stash in a backpack. This pick comes with a lifetime warranty, if that helps you sleep easier. Product number 2. Alpcour Folding Camping Cot. Ready to get started right away on the camping fun? This cot from Alpcour will help to ensure that happens, since it can literally be set up in a matter of seconds. To assemble, stretch out the steel frame, and you're basically good to go, no messing with individual pieces or bars required. The cot's sleeping area is made of water-resistant and moisture-wicking polyester. And since the cot is about 15 inches off the ground, you shouldn't have too many pesky critters interrupting your slumber. Other features of this pick? A gentle incline near the head plus a built-in pillow add to the comfort level, and side pockets allow you to stash a couple of small essentials within reach. When you're done using the cot, it easily folds back down and can be placed in a compact bag about 40 inches long and 7 inches wide for carrying. Choose from 3 different color options: green, gray, and blue. Product number 3. Fandango Camping Cot Bed. Cots that are easy to transport can sometimes get a bad rap for being too small to comfortably sleep on, but this one from Fandango is wider and longer than most super portable cots. However, the cot still weighs only 5 pounds, and it breaks down to fit in a carrying bag that's just 18.9 by 6.7 by 6.7 inches in size, length by width by height. The cot features an aluminum alloy frame and a sleeping area that's covered in a breathable polyester ripstop fabric. A built-in pillow adds to the comfort level of this pick, and a side pocket allows you to store a few of your essentials off the ground. To set up the cot, assemble the legs, insert the side poles in the fabric, and then install the legs. It sits about 7 inches off of the ground. Choose from 3 color options: gray, black, and beige. Product number 4. Coleman Camping Cot Air Mattress. With more than 9,500 reviews on Amazon and solid 4.4 star rating overall, reviewers on the site clearly love this pick from Coleman, which makes sense, because it's suitable for 2 sleepers and amazingly comfortable. The queen-sized cot can hold up to 600 pounds of weight thanks to its sturdy steel frame. It's also quite easy to assemble, since all you have to do is unfold it and open it up. The canvas sleeping area is durable, and the cot comes with an air mattress, which takes just 5 minutes to inflate using the included battery-operated pump to set on top for extra comfort. The cot sits about 22 inches off the ground, and it even has 2 little built-in side tables. For single sleepers, this cot is also available in a smaller twin-size option. Product number 5. Coleman Trailhead Camping Cot. While this camping cot from Coleman is quite budget-friendly, it doesn't make sacrifices when it comes to quality. But don't just take my word for it, Amazon reviewers are wild about this cot, giving it a solid 4.4 star rating overall, among 11,000 and growing reviews. Reviewers report that it's well-sized and comfortable. The sleeping area of the cot is made from a thick polyester, while the frame features alloy steel for strength. To assemble this pick, you'll just need to unfold the main body, and then lock all of the legs and support bars into place, a process that should take just a few minutes to complete. The cot sits about 17 inches off of the ground, which should hopefully help prevent unwanted critters from entering your sleeping area. No promises about mosquitoes, though.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price and performance. So don't wait. Take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.